With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. In this video, we are discussing question number 1. What are the 3 pillars of digital security? What is the need for digital security? B. Explain the following in the context of security issues: DDoS attacks, malware, cryptojacking. C. Explain the term cybersecurity intrusion detection with the help of an example. And 4th is, what are the laws related to unauthorized access and web checking? So these are the 4 questions and 12 of marks questions. If you need answers, contact us. Thank you so much for watching.